Blink Outdoor 4, wireless smart security camera, 2-year battery, 1080 PHD day and infrared night live view, two-way talk, 1 camera system. Outdoor 4 is our 4th generation wire-free smart security camera that helps you protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. See and speak from the Blink app. Experience 1080 PHD live view, infrared night vision, and crisp two-way audio. 2-year battery life. Set up yourself in minutes and get up to 2 years of power with the included AA lithium batteries. Enhanced motion detection. Be alerted to motion faster from your smartphone with dual zone, enhanced motion detection. Person detection. Get alerts when a person is detected with embedded computer vision CV as part of an optional Blink subscription plan sold separately. Save and share clips. Choose to store events in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the Sync module to include it plus a USB drive sold separately. Works with Alexa. Connect to an Alexa-enabled device to engage live view, arm and disarm your system, and more using your voice. Includes 1 Outdoor 4 camera, 1 Sync module 2, AA lithium metal batteries, 1 mounting kit, 1 USB cable, and 1 power adapter. Be there from anywhere. Help protect what matters most, better than ever, with Blink's 4th generation of wire-free outdoor smart security cameras. Outdoor 4 is innovative yet easy to use with up to 2 years of powerful battery life. Affordable peace of mind starts here. All new Blink Outdoor 4 smart security camera is mounted to the outside of a white brick home in the natural sunlight. Outdoor 4 puts home in your hands. Stay close to home from anywhere. See what's happening with HD live view and infrared night vision. Speak to people and pets with crisp two-way audio. It's like being home even when you're not. Control all your Blink devices in the Blink app with ease. Powerful battery life. Go where wires can't to help protect your home. With Blink's proprietary chip technology, Outdoor 4 runs on 2 AA batteries that last up to 2 years with regular use. Outdoor 4 is installed on a white outdoor fence indicating that no wiring is required for the camera. Be alerted in real time. Catch events quickly with dual zone motion. Detection alerts. Create customized activity zones, so you only see the movement you care about. A person is holding their smartphone and using the Blink app to set up activity zones in the settings menu. A Blink app alert is shown on a phone stating that a person has been detected in the backyard. See who's there. Receive an alert when a person is detected with embedded computer vision CV as part of an optional Blink subscription plan sold separately. Know the difference between people versus an object or animal for added peace of mind. CV is processed securely on your device, set up with ease. Install in minutes inside or out. No messy wires or searching for outlets. Know the difference between people versus an object or animal for added peace of mind. CV is processed securely on your device, set up with ease. Install in minutes inside or out. No messy wires or searching for outlets. No professional installation required. Outdoor 4's wire-free design means you can place, stand, or mount your cameras anywhere in minutes. Outdoor 4 is placed on a shelf in the entryway of a home, blending seamlessly into the neutral decor. Works with Alexa. Go hands-free with a compatible Alexa device. Stream live video. Arm and disarm your camera. Set helpful Alexa routines, and more. Alexa, show my cameras. Alexa, record, save, and share your clips. Blink UI. Blink subs. Experience the convenience and added benefits of the Blink subscription plan with your included 30-day free trial. Then choose to subscribe for just $3 per month per device or $10 per month for unlimited Blink devices on an account. Learn more about the Blink subscription plan. Local storage, Sync module 2. Save your clips locally with the Sync module to via a USB flash drive sold separately. Learn more about local storage via Sync module 2.